In this video, I'm going to talk about customizing ribbon and tabs in Microsoft Excel. So what is Excel ribbon and tabs? Excel ribbon is a row of tabs and icons on the top of Excel windows that allow you to find and understand the commands in Excel. Look at this picture, and there are certain commands and features that are categorized in tabs, and as you can see here, this row is the ribbon. In Excel ribbon, button icons are grouped in different tabs based on the category of their functionalities. It contains several tabs such as Home, Insert, Draw, Pages, Page Layout, Formulas, and Data. Here, these are called tabs. Now, these commands are grouped together. This is called a group, and this one, each one of these, like this one, the bold, the italic, the underline, these are called commands. And we have a dialog launcher that will show more options from this group. Based on different factors, these are hidden at first. When you click here, the ribbon will be shown, and you can also use this command to pin this ribbon. When you click this one, it will stick here and it will not hide. If you do not do that, it will hide. If you have your ribbon shown, you can also click here to collapse this ribbon, as you can see here. Now we have in this, we are in this tab, a home tab, and this ribbon here. The ribbon first appeared in Excel 2007, replacing the traditional toolbars and pull-down menus found in previous versions. In Excel 2010, Microsoft added the ability to personalize ribbon. In Excel, ribbon made up of the basic components such as ribbon tab, ribbon group, dialog launcher, and command button, as we talked before. So this is called a group, this is tab, and here is the launcher. If you click here, you will see a lot more options here from this group. When we say a ribbon group, it means that all the commands in a group, let's say this group, has a related functionalities, or this group has a related functionalities. For example, this is a group named font, and this is alignment. So it means all the commands like alignment middle, bottom, top, alignment left, alignment center, alignment right. These are common functionality commands that are very similar to each other, and they are grouped in a specific ribbon group. Now I will introduce you to the tabs that are here. The first one is the file. Here, when you click here, it allows you to jump into backstage view, as you can see here, and it contains essential file-related command in Excel options. As you can see here, all related to the files. You can create new blank file, or you can open, or can save file, etc. Next, we have this Home tab. It contains most frequently used commands. As you can see here, these are the most frequently used commands, such as changing the font size, the font, making it bold, italic, or something else. And here we have the alignment related to the numbers, the formatting, and etc. We have the Insert tab. It is used to add different objects into a worksheet, such as images, chart, pivot table, hyperlinks, symbols, and equations, and others. We also have the Page Layout tab. It provides tools to manage worksheet appearance both on screen and printed. These tools control theme settings, grid line, page margin, and object aligning. You can change from here, like aligning. You can change from here to the margin, and a lot of options that we will cover in next videos. We have the Formulas tab. In here, it contains tools for inserting functions and tools for defining names and controlling the calculation options. Let's say I have this one here, I write 22, and here I write 11, and I click here, and I wanted to insert a function. I click here, and let's say if I add the sum function, and I ask to select these two and sum it for me. As you can see here, it did it for me. So I did it from here, from this tab, from Formulas tab. Next, we have the Data tab. It holds the command for managing the worksheet data as well as connecting to the external data. So next, we have the Review tab. It allows you to check spelling, track changes, and comment and add note to protect worksheet and workbooks also. You can do it from review tabs. As you can see here, these are all options, the protecting workbook and others. We have the help button, the help tab. It allows you to get helps. It only appears in Excel 2019 and Office 365. The tab provides a quick access to the help task pane and allow you to contact Microsoft support and send feedback and suggest a feature and get a quick access to the training videos. As you can see, all these options are here. Then we have another option, it's called developer. I will show you how to show this one. You click on the file and you go to here and to go to the options, and from the options you have the customize ribbon option here, and you can click here and you can also remove or add new tabs to the Excel here. When I click on this one, as you can see here, we now have a developer option here. Now we also have the add-ins which appear when an older workbook or load an add-in that customize the toolbar menu. So we also have an add-in tab. It shows based on the need. If you want to minimize this ribbon, you can use Control F1 to minimize or maximize the ribbon as you have seen here. Beside this, you can also customize other tabs from the option from here. You can also customize, let's say I want to customize the home. Let's say I want to add new file in the home. Now I click on the home tab and click on the new group. As you can see, we have a new group here, and now I want to add this one to this group, as you have seen here. And when I click on OK button, the changes will apply to the home tab. As you can see here, now we have a new group, and this one is here.